You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the currency of the country of Costa Rica. If you want to learn how to pronounce Costa Rica and also other currency names, stay tuned. So it's pronounced colon. That's the Spanish pronunciation that is spoken in Costa Rica, colon. Now, because you have an accent on the second O, the stress is on the second syllable, colon. In English, you can say colon. Costa Rican colon. How to pronounce colon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.